In prime time news this evening, outrage over government proposal to extend exemption of cabinet documents from public disclosure from 20 to 70 years. Ministry of Health halts importation of Zantac amid concern that the drug contains cancer-causing chemical. And PAAC explores the impact of Alpart's closure on growth figures.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker has our preview.
Yes, Janella, good news for motorists. Gas prices going down this week.
All right, thanks, Milton. From Milton to Jermaine. Jermaine, what's happening in sports?
Well, Herman, as you may well know by now, second straight day without a medal for Jamaica at the World Championships. However, we could overcome that hurdle tomorrow. 3 finalists will tell you more.
You would hope. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's your reaction to the performance of Jamaican athletes at the World Championships so far?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.